like a whole new person. Hey guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. So I'm coming to you with a wig review. I'm going to keep this really short and really sweet. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons about this wig, and then I'll leave the link down in the description box so that if you want to get this wig, you can pick it up for yourself. Very briefly, I started wearing wigs about 9 years ago. I got really thick, full, beautiful hair when I was pregnant, and then it was like as soon as I had my daughter, my skin broke out terrible. I had bumps everywhere, and then I also like started losing the fullness of my hair, so my hair just like started coming out. My first reaction was like, I just need to get a wig. Like, I didn't have a whole lot of money to go get my hair done like I used to. I used to get my hair done professionally at a shop every 2 weeks. I didn't have the same time anymore, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start wearing wigs, and I have never stopped. So on AliExpress, they have lots of different wigs. I love to wear what's called a lace front wig. Lace front wigs are where basically the front portion of the wig has lace. You're able to pretty much free part the wig in any of this area of the hair. As you can see, the scalp actually looks like scalp, and that's because there's lace on the wig that is like skin colored, and that's what gives your wigs like that natural kind of effect. So nobody ever said anything about this wig until today. I started cutting little layers in the front of the wig, and I used some hairspray to kind of keep them like this. Anyway, let's get into the specs. So this wig, I actually got it from Karina Hair. They are a vendor on AliExpress. The wig already came colored like this. It already came colored like this. It says it's a deep lace front wig, pre-plucked, honey blonde. It's Remy hair with highlight. So I actually got it in a 20-inch length, and I chose 150% density. So the wig was $161, and I've had it since April. So pros is colored very, very beautifully. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. So it's colored very beautifully. I think the density definitely matches the 150% that they advertise it. The color fades from like a 1B color down to like a 427 ombre kind of color. So there's some black in there, there's chocolate, and then also honey blondes. I think the color is really, really pretty. It's definitely human hair. So yeah, I definitely believe it's 20 inches as well. Just for reference, I am 5'3", so you can see that the wig comes all the way past my breast, so it's definitely 20 inches. Pros, as far as the hairline, if you wanted to glue the wig down and kind of pull it back, I think the hairline is really, really nice. I don't have it fully glued down right now. I kind of just, what I tend to do on a day-to-day is just glue it down here, and then I apply a little bit of glue there just to make sure it doesn't like fly off, because right now like I'm completely natural. I did a big chop back in February, so I don't have like hair to really like secure combs to, so I always just glue it down for that extra little bit of security. I glue my wig down with the Got to Be Glued, and I love this one. It's a little mini one that you can keep in your purse. The hair washes really, really nicely. I've washed it several times, and usually what I'll do is just simply do like a co-wash. It does shed, as you can see. Well, I've already pulled the hair out of the brush, but you know, this is accumulated from like maybe the past couple days, because I started wearing it again this week. The one thing I don't like about this hair is that it doesn't hold a curl very well. So whenever I put some curls in it, by the end of the day, the curls are pretty much, you know, kind of loose. So this side, you can see like I curled it this morning, and the curls are kind of like limp. So that's the one thing. It doesn't curl. The curl doesn't last very long, but what you can do is simply use like some hairspray, and boom, the curls will last you a little bit longer. The other thing is that the blonde tends to be a little dry, so you can see how it looks. So this wig, I actually have to wash it quite often, and normally I can wear it about a week until it starts looking like this. And then as far as to kind of bring some life back into the hair when I don't have time to actually wash it, I just use the Bio Silk Therapy. It's called Cure. And my old hairdresser, her name is Renita. She told me about this product. She will always put this on my hair after she installed like a sew-in or whatnot, and like it really is lightweight, it smells good, it's not oily, and it really brings the hair back to life. So I'm gonna show you guys what this hair looks like in just a second, and you're gonna be like, wow. But when I say really, it will save your wig. Like if you don't have time to wash it and do what you're supposed to do to really bring it back to life, this Bio Silk will really do the trick. Remember just a few seconds ago that this hair was puffy and it looked crazy, and look how good it looks now, and that was just from adding a little bit of that Cure to it. So definitely the wig performs well if you have the right product. If like, look at this side and then look at this side. So yeah, she definitely needs some help from time to time. The other thing I want to show you guys is like how beautifully she curls. And I'm just gonna take this curl wand. I got this from Burlington for like $19.99, so it's nothing special. And just gonna do a quick wand curl just so I can show you how she performs. And typically what you want to do is curl the hair, then apply the Cure to it. But I kind of just wanted to show you guys, you know. And then I forgot I had the curl wand hooked up. So yeah, see, look, a beautiful bouncy curl. Like absolutely gorgeous. And we'll just brush to it a little. So yeah, she curls absolutely beautifully. I love this wig, and like I said, today I got so many compliments on it, and I know it's because I cut like the layers in the front. So if you want to get this wig, it will be listed down in the description box below. Also, if you want to get the Bio Silk Cure, I have it listed on my Amazon shop. For those of you who don't know what that is, basically my Amazon shop, it's not me directly selling the products, it's an affiliate link. So if any of the products that I love and enjoy, including like my chandelier that I have over my bed, all of that stuff, all the stuff that I purchase from Amazon on a regular basis is listed on my Amazon storefront. So I get like a small commission every time you guys purchase anything. So go over there and check it out. I list like my press-on nails. I need to go ahead and list the Gotta Be glue. Any products that I use and love that are tested by me will be listed there, and you can go shop those products. And the nice part is that I kind of test them out ahead of time, so if something is trash, trust me, it's not going to be there. And last thing I'll let you guys know before I let you go, as far as the wigs, a lot of people don't like ordering stuff from AliExpress because they feel like it's going to take 1,000 years, or they're scared about quality. This wig literally arrived within like 5 days, which is the longest a wig has ever taken me. Like normally I'll get my wigs in like 3 to 4 days, but 5 days really isn't bad for some hair that's already pre-colored. It's pretty, it's gorgeous. It has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, over 1,000 orders. You can go over to the listing, you can check out other customers' photos. Like, look at how beautifully that wig looks on her. So if you don't want to take my word for it, you can definitely scroll through the reviews and check out how beautiful the wig is like on other people. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I'm sleepy, so I'm going to be going to bed. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.